Hi guys! Last June, wow, last June, last month, June, ang dami ko talagang na-receive na PR packages which I am very grateful for. I-share ko sila sa inyo ngayon. First package is this one from Avon. Ito yung for their Mixed Pride and a lot of creators also get this package. So, ito yung laman niya sa loob. There, meron tayong fan, eyeshadow, sticks, and then mascara. Si Mimi, actually makeup siya. Ginamit ko siya for the Mixed Pride competition. Next, I have here yung sa from I White Korea. To collaborate with them. Like, it's such an honor. Ganon. Next, I have here, ito yung mga new Tokobo sunscreen with Sika, I think. Yeah, mga Tokobo sunscreen. I also have gel cream and then toner pads. Ayan, super excited ako with the toner pads. I haven't used it for a while, so yes! I also got bag from Bag Smart here on TikTok. So yeah, gawin ko pa ito ng video. And then contact lenses then from TikTok. Free collaboration siya. I think this one is yung pinakapasabog talaga this Pride month. Last month, I mean. This is the Pride SM Beauty. Pumunta ako last June 26 and I got a lot of products. Ready Set Glow, BYS, and then ano rin, Bare and Bliss, Maybelline, and then Absidy. Meron din akong pang color. I got a very special package from Garnier, sunscreen and serum. I also got a package from Maybelline. It's their pink vinyl ink. Hindi ko muna bubuksan kasi kakalat yung nasa loob. I also have from Snail White. So, thank you so much. This is included dun sa Pride bag na nakuha ko from SM Beauty. This one I'm very excited about. This is the Careline Lip Oils. And I have the 5 shades. I super love SpongeBob. I remember having a bag of SpongeBob when I was in grade 4. So, super excited ako with this. Hopefully, matry ko yung mga cream products nila like contour and blush. And eyeshadow na rin. And then powder blush. Yes. So, this one naman is from Style Korea. So, thanks so much Style Korea. This is their hype box. And super dami nitong laman na Korean skincare. And may isang blush. Ayan. And super excited ako with all of this. Meron rin siyang toner pads which I guess gagamitin ko for my future clients. And super excited ako with this Dewy Bar from Kaja. I think this is the last package that I've received. This one is from Hairfix. And thanks so much to SAS Media Marketing for including me here sa inyong collab. But yeah, with their work with Hairfix, so I've got to try all of their products, but I'm already a user yung kanilang straightener na spray. So yan, and mga pangkulay ng buhok. And kaya rin ako nag-color ng buhok. Ayan, nagpatay na ako ng ilaw, so isang ilaw na lang to. And but thank you so much sa mga brands na nagpadala sa akin ng mga PR packages last June. Talagang I'm very grateful kasi ang dami ko talagang na-receive and I think it's the first time. Oh, and by the way, naka-receive din pala ako sa Maybelline ng Lumi Matte Foundation. What else? I also got yung aking package from Watsons naman. So, ang dami talaga. Like, June is really a fruitful month for me. And then hopefully this June, magkaroon din ako ng pandagdag sa savings kasi talagang medyo napagastos last June. But yes, let's hope na talagang makaipon. Thank you so much!